What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Endo Grows. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I'm going to apologize ahead of time for the shaky footage. I seem to have lost my tripod, but I really need to get this put together anyways and get it thrown in the tent. Doing an update. You know, we got some more grow supplies for the tent, just improved a little bit, and this is one thing that's very, very important is your airflow. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you're using, what you're growing, what you're smoking on. We love talking and chatting. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, wonderful day. I've been kind of sick, so that's no fun. I know I said my next video, I put it up to a vote, and it seemed like the rosin press is what everybody wanted to see. But I got something really special going down, so check out my next video because I am waiting for a new press to review, so definitely check that out. But without further ado, we got some air movement happening today. It's getting super, super hot here in the summertime, so more air movement the better. And I figured we'd do this unboxing. So what we have here, and again, sorry for the shaky footage. I really don't know where I put my tripod. Kind of silly. But we have AC Infinities, 6-inch fan here. So go ahead and bust this bad girl out. Talk a little bit about it and why I chose it and why I think it's a really good option for anybody's grows. There's quite a few places out there. But I did a lot of research, looked around quite a bit, and this is one of the options that I wanted because it's got some really cool features, and we're going to talk a little bit about that as well. So they have them in the 4, 6, and 8-inch models that I know of for sure. Super cool company. As you can see, a lot of it's mostly like to cool your house down and stuff like that. But there's another application for it, and that's our grow tents. So yeah, comes in a really nice box inside of another box. Duct fan system. Now the reason why I really like this one and the aspect of this one is because it has this control. I've been looking around and I haven't found anything like it for a really long time. Never seen anything like it. But yeah, you can pretty much run off of 2 units and you can plug it in and you can set it for your temperature and humidity, and what it's going to do is, let's say your temperatures are just fine, it'll slow your fan down a little bit, save a little bit of power for you, and vice versa. If it starts getting really warm in your tent, what it'll do is this will recognize it and it'll start pushing more airflow or less airflow, depends, and you can have your temp and your humidity set up, so that's super, super dope. It's one of the big, huge reasons why I chose this, because it's really nice. If you don't need it, it won't pull the energy, but if you do, then it will. But let's just go ahead and pull this on out. So it comes with everything you need. They even went a step above. I don't ever see people actually sending these, so that's super nice. Has mounting hardware just in case you want to mount it. Awesome. So definitely check out AC Infinity. Get this out of here real fast. Hopefully this video isn't all super silly. I'm gonna have to flip this upside down. Alright. One-handedness is just not working out for me. Never do my videos like this, but yeah. Got a nice control box here. It's got a decent amount of cord, it looks like, so that's super dope. Nice little driver there. Go ahead and bust this down. And these things are just awesome looking too. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful construction here. I already got my dog hair on it. But yeah, this is their little 6-inch version. Super nice. Definitely stoked to get this hooked up in the tent. But yeah, I thought I'd just do a little update. It's getting super hot, like I said, so this is crazy important. Good airflow. I'm trying to get an AC down there as well. So just wanted to give everybody a quick update what's going on, and yeah, that's it. Be sure to hit the notifications for my next video because we're going to be doing another rosin press review on the new version of the DHP7, so that'll be super dope. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take it easy.